Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Why don't you introduce yourselves?
So my name is Jovita, and I'm a third-year dental student at U of T.
I'm Sherwin, also third year at U of T.
So can you guys tell me a little bit about your undergraduate experiences?
I did my undergrad at University of Waterloo, so I did the biomed program, and I got in after fourth year.
I did my undergrad at Carleton University, which is in Ottawa, Ontario. I did 3 years of biochemistry, kind of switched to biology at the end, kind of so I can graduate still with a general degree. Got in here, and yeah.
And would you guys recommend the courses that you took? So those are pretty general in terms of the sciences. We've had some other people that we've talked to that did biophysics. Are you pleased with the choices you made?
Yeah, I loved my program because of the flexibility. You could pick and choose what courses, and there was a lot of room for me to take like language courses, psych courses, and it was also a very light course load, so you could like work and you could volunteer as well.
A little bit different, like biochemistry was really tough. I don't think I needed to have chosen such a tough program to get here. I did it because I think at the time I thought it was necessary. Like a lot of people going to med school, dental school, were like, do biochemistry, you get all your prereqs really easily, which is true, but there's a lot more effort than I think was needed potentially. But however, like the program was still good. I learned a lot, but a lot of it was more of the theoretical microbiology, enzyme engineering, things like that aren't exactly transferable to dentistry. So I would have liked if I had a little bit more clinical or anatomy, some of that kind of teachings in my program.
Cool. So how did you guys prepare for the DAT? Did you face any hurdles along the way?
I started off with the Kaplan for bio and chem, and then I really liked the DAT software for the PAT. I think I didn't practice enough for the reading comprehension, and I think people underestimate the reading comprehension because I ran out of time for that one.
And did you find having lots of practice for the PAT was beneficial?
Yeah, definitely. I got more comfortable with it after doing like the DAT software has tons of questions.
And Sherwin?
I'm pretty sure that I exclusively stuck just with that Kaplan Blue Book. Like I bought it at Chapters or something. I think I might have bought a couple other things, but I don't think I used them. For the PAT, for sure, like the only way to get a great score with that is just constant repetition. It's like a game, so the more you do it, the better you get at it. Yeah, all the other sections are just memorize.
How are you guys finding dental school?
We're in our third year, and third year is apparently the most stressful, but once you learn how to manage your time, I think it gets better, and it's a lot more hands-on, which I really like the restorative part, so it's starting to get more hands-on, which is it's better.
Yeah, there's a lot of stress, obviously. Like our specific situation is mostly 8 to 5 every day. Maybe let's say an hour lunch in general, so you're constantly doing things. Like I thought undergrad was tough, but this is tough in its own ways. But like you enjoy it overall. Like whenever you do those courses or those specific things that are directly relevant to dentistry, like you love it. When something goes great, you love it. Like it's pretty rewarding. But like everything, you have to manage your time really well.
What are you guys most looking forward to when you graduate?
Okay, I got one.
Okay.
I'm really looking forward to, like, the way that it works at school is there's a lot of administrative things hurdles that you have to get over before you get to do it. Anything like paperwork, this, that. You have to do everything their way. You have to get all these swipes, and it slows you down. So I'm really looking forward to being able to do things my way, be the boss, like delegate things, structure a practice around the way I like things to work, and really optimize everything. Just have a great business, provide great healthcare. It's really exciting. I'm excited for that.
I agree with him.
Too bad.
And if you guys could go back and give yourself, as a pre-dental student, some advice, what would it be?
Just enjoy your summers more.
And Sherwin?
Like I said before, like time management is so important here, especially the higher years you go. So, I mean, if you're in your undergrad and if you're getting by or you're doing well, but you haven't really needed to manage your time that well, maybe your schedule is just lighter, know that it's not going to be as easy as that in the future. So I don't know, do some extracurricular something. Make sure you're able to handle juggling like a lot of things at the same time. And I guess on a similar note, when you get into dental school, if you get in, hopefully you do, just get involved in so many things. Like, it's really different from my undergrad where I was just like study, like just trying to get here. And now once you're here, you got to enjoy yourself. Join this club, go for council, like do as much as you can.
Cool. Thanks a lot, guys.